Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman nung iyo ako.
Hi Donna and Jay, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Alam niyo naman na I was really planning to go home and celebrate this special moment with you guys. But God gave me a little surprise, and for now, I have to stay here and take care of this little blessing. Pero kahit hindi ako naka-attend, I'm so happy and I'm celebrating with you guys. Donna, Ate, seeing you grow to a beautiful and strong woman, and you're about to enter a new chapter of your life. At masaya ako na you finally found someone na magmamahal sa'yo ng totoo at makakasama mo habang buhay. I hope you guys choose each other every single day and to choose to forgive and love each other. Marriage is not easy, but don't forget to laugh together. I'm so happy for both of you. I love you guys. And I hope makauwi ako soon with my little blessing. And this time, mamit ko kayo na husband and wife na. Again, congratulations. Enjoy this beautiful day. I love you guys. I see you soon.
Okay, hi Ate Donna. Hi Jay. Okay. Ate Donna kasi yun lang nakasanayan na natawakan. Okay, I'm the ate talaga. Anyway, congratulations sa nalalapit ng wedding. Best wishes. And I'm sorry, hindi na ako makakauwi. Mas okay sana ako nandiyan ka, diba? But anyway, next time na lang, celebrate tayo ulit. So, pasensya na, hindi talaga ako sanay ng video. But, camera siya yun. And congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Sana maging maayos yung pagkasama nyo. Wala namang perfect relationship, but, you know, lagi mag-uusap. Kung merong hindi pagkakaunawaan, makinig sa isa't isa, hindi lang yung laging salita ng salita. Dapat matutong makinig sa isa't isa. Ate, nakikita ko naman how happy you are, and thank you Jay for making Ate Donna happy. And just best wishes, hindi ko napahabain yung message ko. Yun lang naman talaga ang gusto namin, maging masaya kami dalawa. Lalo na sa araw ng kasal. Maligayang pagbati sa inyong kasal. Parang birthday, ano? Anyway, thank you very much and be happy. Bye! Hi, kapamilya!
Mabuhay! Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Mabuhay! Congratulations! Donna and Jay, congratulations sa inyong dalawa, okay? And Mr. Claros, welcome to our family. Welcome to our crazy family. Hindi naman, konti lang. But don't worry, you will survive. Anyway, so Do you realize, both of you, do you realize that today starts your forever? Your forever starts today. So, be the best of friends, okay? Kasi lagi na kayong magkasama forever. So, be the best of friends. Importante yan, okay? Also, ang susi sa isang matagumpay, maligaya at mapayapang pagsasama ay ang ilagay niyo ang Panginoong Diyos sa sentro ng inyong pagsasama. Mas importante yan. Okay? So keep that in mind. That's all you need. That's all you need, sir. Okay? Anyway, congratulations again. Enjoy your day and enjoy the rest of your life together. God bless and be good. Pray always. And remember, God loves you and I love you. Bye. Congratulations. Bye.